Hello everyone, this is Hoyt Dingus again in the second week of ASD term 1404. This is our week 2 lab, and we're working in titanium again. Basically this week we were going to be pulling data from an API and then showing the JSON data that we were pulling from that API in our application. Here you have the data file, which contains our how we're pulling from the API. We have a remote response function here, and then here is my data table function, which I'm passing in an argument of WOW data, which is for the JSON, as you see up here in remote response. Data table is receiving JSON, and then we have our array, which is going to be for our sections. And then we have a character section here, which is just displaying our character's name, the level, and the realm in which the character is on. And then we have a mounts section. Basically what I'm doing is I'm just displaying all the mounts that my character has in WoW. Here's the loop that's looping through and creating the rows for the table. Going down further, we have a row label and a row image. The row label is displaying the name of the mount, and then the row image is also displaying the image, the icon that WoW has for that mount. And then I'm adding the label to the row, as well as the image to the row, and then the the row to the section. And then we're pushing all that information back to the sections array, and then we're setting the table data. And then down here is where we are pulling. This is where we're pulling our data from. I was using the Blizzard API for this month, and there's the web address for the Blizzard API that I was pulling from, which was the mounts JSON. And this is our app.js file, which is pretty standard. Here at the bottom, you have all your windows being opened and the data being pulled at the very bottom. There's a banner, obviously a table, and then a couple banner labels. Here's the table specifications. Up here is the two banners. I basically put two banners on top of each other. That way, it kind of gives a little bit of gives it a little bit of depth for the actual banner itself. Header view. I also put a conditional in for the platform. If it was an iPhone, then it's going to, in order to show the TI.UI iPhone status bar, the light version of the status bar. And then also the require. This is how the app will look on Android. As you can see here, here's the two sections. There's the section with my character info, and then the mounts that I have, and then you can just scroll through and see all the mounts. It also loaded all the icons for the mounts, as you can see. Pretty neat. And then the iPhone version is here. Again, two sections, character section and the mount section, and then all the mounts. And that's the app for this week. Thank you very much for watching, and please tune in again. Thank you very much.